All right, everybody. If you've ever opened Canva and thought, I could probably make something, I just don't know what, this video is for you. I'm going to show you a beginner-friendly way people use Canva AI to create simple templates that actually sell, even if you've never designed anything before. And before you overthink this, no, you don't need to be creative, artistic, or good at design. You just need to understand what small businesses already need. Stick with me, because by the end, I'll show you how this turns into repeat sales instead of one-off gigs. Here's the big mistake beginners make with Canva. They try to design art, logos, fancy graphics, aesthetic Instagram posts that look nice but don't actually do anything. You're not doing that. You're creating templates that solve small business problems, things people already need and don't want to build themselves. Menus, price lists, social post templates, checklists, welcome packets. Simple, useful, boring. That's where the money is. Most business owners don't care if something is pretty. They care if it saves them time and makes them look professional without effort. That's why Canva AI makes this easy. Canva's AI does the layout for you. You literally tell it what you want. For example, you type, create a clean one-page price list template for a small service business. Simple fonts, easy to edit. It gives you a starting layout instantly. You're not designing from scratch. You're choosing, adjusting, and cleaning it up. That's beginner safe. Let me make this even clearer with a real-world example. Let's say a local cleaner needs a price list, a booking checklist, and a basic social post. Right now, they're probably copying text into Instagram, sending messy screenshots, and answering the same questions over and over again. You create 3 Canva templates, swap the colors to match their brand, change the text, and bundle them together. Now, they look professional everywhere. Their website, their social media, their messages. That whole bundle took you maybe 30 minutes, and most of that time was just clicking and adjusting. To start, you only need one template: a price list, an Instagram post, a service menu, a client welcome page. That's it. Don't overbuild. Don't try to make 100 templates. One clean, useful template is enough to get paid. For pricing, keep it realistic. A single template goes for $10 to $20. A small bundle goes for $25 to $50. And here's the smart part most beginners skip. After you deliver it, you say, if you want updates each month, I can tweak these for $15 whenever you need changes. Now, you're not chasing new customers every week. You're stacking small recurring income from people who don't want to touch design ever again. You can sell these 3 easy ways. On Etsy, directly to small businesses, or through something like Fiverr or Gumroad. You don't need all 3. Pick one, keep it simple, and don't spread yourself thin. This works because businesses hate design. Canva removes friction, and templates save time. You're not selling creativity, you're selling convenience. The mistake beginners make is trying to sell fancy designs that nobody asked for. Don't. Sell usable. Simple beats pretty every time. So here's your move. Open Canva. Use AI to build one simple template. Show it to one business owner you already know. If it saves them time, they'll pay, and if they like it, they'll ask for more. And if you want, I can do a full walkthrough. Exact prompts, pricing, and how to sell these cleanly. Just say the word.